Turkey, a Shining World Leadership Award for Compassion Laureate, assists Bosnia and Herzegovina during coronavirus pandemic. The Turkish Cooperation and Coordination Agency, or TICA, donated 3D printers and supplies, which in collaboration with the International University of Sarajevo in Bosnia and Herzegovina were used to produce hundreds of face shields. The life-protecting masks were then distributed to healthcare facilities and other designated centers. Prior to the COVID-19 outbreak, TICA had also made classes on 3D technology available as part of its vocational training support. Dr. Larissa Gavaran, president of the Association of Family Medicine Physicians of the Zanika-Dobosh Canton, voiced her appreciation, noting how the efforts improved conditions for healthcare workers. Thank you, Turkey. Your support in Bosnia and Herzegovina is spreading life-saving knowledge and materials for a better outcome in divine grace.
Researchers discover safe form of ultraviolet or UV lighting that deactivates COVID-19. Dr. David Brunner and team from Columbia University Irving Medical Center in the United States found that low amounts of what is known as far UVC light safely deactivates the COVID-19 virus. In the study, coronavirus particles that cause common colds were placed in droplets and floated past the lights. The researchers then collected the droplets and discovered that over 99.9% of the viruses were inactive. Further studies showed that COVID-19 was also affected in the same way. Dr. Brunner recommended installing the lights in the ceilings of public locations for continuous disinfection. Wonderful news, Dr. David Brunner and other brilliant researchers. May your discovery soon be put to use as an additional form of protection for public health in celestial radiance.
Japanese startup invents face mask that connects to phone. Donut Robotics, founded in 2014 in Fukuoka Prefecture, Japan, has invented a smart mask that is connected to the internet. The mask uses the person's phone to make calls and text messages, and it can even amplify the user's voice, which is normally muffled behind the mask. Another notable feature is that it can translate the user's speech into 8 different languages. An app pairs with a plastic sea mask, which is worn over standard face masks, and the signal is sent between the two devices via Bluetooth. Almost 5,000 of the masks are designated for the Japanese market, and by September 2020, the product will expand to Europe, China, and the United States. Congratulations and best wishes, Donut Robotics, on your new invention. May heaven bless such intelligent endeavors that help make life today more convenient.
Algeria to increase solar capacity by 10 times. Algeria will begin a new solar project called Tafuk 1 that will install 4 gigawatts of solar power across 6,400 hectares over 5 years. The initiative will cost around $3.4 billion and help Algeria to meet its goal of installing 22 gigawatts of green power by 2030. This will create 56,000 jobs during construction and employment for 2,000 individuals when operational. Once complete, the nation plans to export the electricity to the international market at a competitive price, as well as share the expertise gained. Our applause, Algeria. May your nation's big expansion into solar power help to improve the comfort and health of your citizens in Allah's kindness.
Caring youngster brings happiness to elderly residents during COVID-19. Since he was 6 years old, Ted Mayer from the United Kingdom, now 11, has been singing to elderly patients at Warwick Hospital in England as part of a program of Kissing It Better, or KIB. The UK-based charity offers performances to patients and staff while maintaining safe distancing. Ted, who is often accompanied by his family and younger brother Bruce, believes that his singing helps his audience members, particularly now, as they have not been able to see their families in a long time. Ted and Bruce also make greeting cards to brighten the patient's day. Founded in 2009, KIP organizes young artists to entertain senior citizens through singing, instrument playing, poetry recitals, and drama performances. God bless you, sweet Ted, Bruce, and the Mayer family, as well as Kissing It Better, for sharing your love and talents with the elderly during this time. We pray your audiences will feel ever more comforted and uplifted.
New Zealand company launches vegan bacon in stores. Auckland's plant-based food tech startup, Sunfed, recently launched its boar-free bacon product made from premium yellow pea protein in leading supermarket countdown. Some of the chain stores reported that they sold out their entire stock immediately, others in less than 2 days. Sunfed also sells its line of plant-based protein products in Australia and worldwide. In February of this year, the company was the only vegan store participating at a meat event and was one of the most popular stands among the meat-eating attendees, quickly selling all that they had brought. Congratulations, Sunfed, on your ongoing success and the fabulous launch of your vegan bacon product. May compassionate, great-tasting products become popular all over the world in heaven's support.
Court of Justice of the European Union, or CJEU, clarifies law defending wolves. The CJEU, which is the European Union's Supreme Court, recently ruled that wolves that stray from their protected reserves and venture into human settlements are still shielded under the Habitats Directive. Thanks to the directive, which was initiated in 1992 and safeguards over 1,000 species in 200 types of habitat, wolf populations in Europe have been increasing and currently number in the low thousands. Our gratitude, Court of Justice of the European Union, for your measures to ensure that the regal wolves and other beautiful animals of your continent can live their lives in peace. In the blessings of the Providence, may we someday live in genuine natural harmony with all our neighbors of varying species.